Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect the Bluetooth device in the Poco M4 Pro 4G and 5G smartphones. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we need to enter settings, then swipe up and choose Bluetooth from the list, then click turn on. Now you need to open your Bluetooth device or turn on the Bluetooth device. So wait for a few seconds. The pairing menu is got opened. In some Bluetooth device you need to enable the pairing mode. So I will enable the pairing mode in the Bluetooth. So when the pairing mode is enabled, the Bluetooth device start blinking fastly or change it into the colors. Now again click available device. Now you can see Oppo Enco M32 is available in the list. You need to choose from that and click pair. Now successfully paired the Bluetooth device of me. So we will check with the audio. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.